So, my name is Roki, but my real name is Ian. They named me that. Someone named Henry. And there's another one, Chespin, but he's not here. He's at the other house. And I wish he was here because he's my best friend. And I wish he was here. And I just want to say that thank you for the views that we had on our first video. And we had a few views. I just want to say thank you. If you subscribe or comment, we are here for me to be in a sock. If I can fit in this little few minutes. Should take a few seconds to trying to put the sock on my body.
So I'm getting hungry. Let's go, do stuff.
Do 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 do. Help! Help! I'm stuck in a sock. Help! Do the worm. So I'm finally out of the sock. Well, I just want to say thank you for letting me out of the sock. Goodbye.